Hi, welcome to Mozegear. I'm Conrad. Besides our normal Q28 products, we have two new things on display today. We have power supplies for your microphones. One's called the PIP and one's called the Papi. The PIP is a 48 volt phantom power supply, which also gives you a 12 volt phantom power supply, and the harder to find T-power. So those of you who have older mics, these preamps are designed with plenty of power. So when you have the older style mics, the larger mics like the 416, the older Neumanns, you have plenty of power, so when you have big transients, you're not going to have distortion and breakup. Upgrade to that is the Papi over here, which adds a mic preamp supply with several steps of gain as well as low-cut filtering. There's a limiter built in, which gives you two types of limiting, as well as a output volume control there. So you have a standard XLR in for the mic, TA3 out to go to your equipment. And in addition to the regular switches, there's a mini USB right there, so that if the internal 9 volt starts going down, you can use an external fuel cell like you'd use for a cell phone, or you can leave it connected. Once the 9 volt is depleted, it rolls over to the external power supply. So you have this in a plant mic situation, on a boom pole, or out in an audience where you don't want to run cables. It makes it really easy. We have one mounted on a boom pole over to the side here, so that you can use it as a wireless boom without having cables. Great if you're working around water or other areas where you're moving fast and don't have time for dealing with cable noise in the pole or just cables in general.